So today guys, I am going to teach you how to do this project, especially if you are a student in AutoCAD. This might help you. So we're going to start to do this. So first of all guys, we have to open our reference to Paint. Then next, we are going to open our AutoCAD software. So if you're gonna see this, there are so many grid lines, so you are going to the function 7 F7. So we are going to find the pen. So I just select all, then we're going to go in AutoCAD. So select edit, then paste special, then bitmap. We have to paste this so that we have a reference. So we are going to scale this. So type is C. So click in this portion. Yes. Then type R. So click in the opposite side. Then you will going to type the radius of this circle, which is the 330. No. Repeat. Type is C. We are going to select first the object, the picture. Then type is C. Click in this area. Then type R. We're going to click again in the opposite side. So we are now to type the 330. Okay. So I believe that this is 330 more or less. So we're going to make this in the beside area. So first, we're going to draw the circle which have the radius of 330. So type C in the command line, then you're going to type R in 330. Okay. So the second circle is 424. So we're going to draw this in the center. Not, but if the cursor did not magnet in the center, please go there, object snap, go to settings, then select all. Okay, going to do the second circle, radius 424. Then we're going to draw the biggest circle, radius the diameter of this is 1698. So instead of typing R, we're going to type D so that the diameter will come up. So next we're going to draw move this a little bit. We're going to draw this circle, which is the radius of 158. Circle R 158. Enter. Circle again R 198. So okay, we have one circle. So we're going to draw this line. Ah, this line. I think the dimension of this is 150. So we will offset side by side 75. We'll delete the center. So we will copy this in 4 items. So we are select, then type R E R R E, then select object, type polar or PO. So enter, click mo yung center, item I 4. So we're going to explode this. Click, type X, explode. We're going to trim, then line. Do this line, do this. Mirror. We're going to trim this. PR, select, enter. Again, TR. We're going to copy this into 4 items again. Repeat the process earlier. Type ER. Select object. Select all object. Then enter. Polar. PO. Select at the center. Type I. Then 4 items. Sorry, I deleted the small circle. Okay. The This is next. Next is we're going to fillet this portion. We're going to trim first this. You cannot trim if you will not explode first. So select, then explode. So you can trim now. Trim. So trim. Fillet. We're going to fillet this to have a curve, which is 2 to 5 radius. Type F, then R, enter 2 to 5. Repeat the procedure. So, which is lacking? Lacking the hexagon at the center. So type POL or polygon. So 6 sides. Enter 6, enter. Then click at the center. Then enter, drag. So it's almost finished. We're going to put a dimension. So we're going to modify the text too small. We're going to modify. Type D. Type D at the command line. Then modify. I try 25. The primary units. The primary precision going to place in 0. So the symbols lines will try the gray or color 8. So okay, we're going to make the dimension reduce. Four to four. Delete one. 330. This one. The arrow is too small. We are going to modify first. Symbol and arrow. We try 25. So that's it. So in the other side, reduce. Okay. So what's next? The second circle. Okay. 150. Reduce. $195. DAL here first. 86. Okay, so we almost finished. So we're going to hatch this polygon. So type GR. So that's two color. Yellow. This is red. So I think this is red. Okay. Click enter. Add selected object. Click this polygon. Then hit OK. So okay. So if we're going to make this in hidden line, so we're just have to select this, then right click. First we're going to get the hidden line here. Click this window, then others, then you are going to load the uh, hidden line. Find the hidden line. Okay, so you click, then properties, select hidden line. So it's too small, so we're going to modify this 5, drive 5. So that's okay. Okay, okay, we are almost finished. So hope you guys there was learning in this tutorial. So hope you like it, and please subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified for the next videos that I will be uploaded.